My name is Conrad. I'm in the Aftermarket Sales department. I travel for work. What we do in the Aftermarket department is we represent the aftermarket accessories that we have available. Everything from Jeep accessories, truck accessories, RV accessories. We go to shows, we represent the product, we talk about it, and then we work with retail customers to kind of explain or answer any questions they might have. Every interaction's slightly different. You might have someone that's new to the industry, might have new and different questions. You're not sitting at a desk every day, and so you're kind of out in the field working with real-life experienced people that have dealt with your product. One thing I'm proud of working here at MORryde is just some of the relationships I've been able to gain. That's nothing I've done myself, but it's something that goes deeper than just the surface level of the business. I think that this business in particular, MORryde, it operates from a top-down operation, meaning that people all the way up at the top, they're great people, the owners are great people, that trickles down into the management, and then it also affects just the overall work atmosphere. So one thing I'm proud of and I stand behind and appreciate about MORryde is just the overall atmosphere, the people, the relationships. We're known for our American-made accessories, and we do things a little bit different. We accessorize Jeeps, and we also bring kind of a unique feature of storage and reinforcement on the Wranglers in particular. One thing that I find interesting about the MORryde product is we really pay extra attention to the quality of the product. From the ground up with the quality department through production into the packaging, the marketing materials even, we get complimented on all the time. And we're able to hit a price point that is really exciting for retail customers. So you go online, you see a MORryde set of heavy-duty hinges for a JK Wrangler, and there's nothing but 5-star reviews. And it's fun to work with a product that sells itself. It makes my job very easy, but it's also a fun industry too, the Jeep industry. It takes us out to the Overland West show every year in Flagstaff, Arizona. It takes us to Moab, Utah every year for the Easter Jeep Safari. There's shows all over the country every year that we're able to talk about our products, the features, the benefits. We're able to work with retail customers, and it's fun to work with those kind of products that people can genuinely get excited about.